Thank you, Secretary Lazaro. Maraming salamat sa pagpakilala mo sa akin at maraming salamat sa inyong pag-imbita sa akin at sa mga cabinet members na dumalo dito. Please. Mayor Arcias Nazareno, congratulations din. Congressman Dan Fernandez, Congressman Ivy Arago, ang siyempre si President Mamon ng Laguna Chamber, otherwise known as Mr. Enchanted Kingdom. At ang ating mga cabinet members na napakaraming narito and the national agencies, congratulations on this Investment and Business Expo. This Expo demonstrates a vibrant private-public sector partnership and held in the midst of the global economic storm. It also demonstrates that the Philippines is in relatively good shape. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Ning Lazaro kanina, nung kami ay nakaupo, tignan nyo naman ang Laguna, parang walang global crisis. Congratulations sa Laguna. Laguna has carved out a name as the industrial area with perhaps the widest array of investment venues that we call what we call the Luzon Urban Beltway. And it is also part of the Cyber Corridor. In fact, one reason why Rachel was here, our ICT chair, together with Larry and Peter, is that we are proud to congratulate Metro Laguna, made up of Santa Rosa, Calamba, San Pablo, Cabuyao, and Los Baños, as having been selected by the Business Process Outsourcing Association as the next wave cities #1 after Metro Manila. So it is indeed a part of the Cyber Corridor as well. And it is also one of the nation's major rice-producing provinces. So talagang microcosm ang Laguna ng buong bansang Pilipinas. But today, we're talking about the Luzon Urban Beltway, the Cyber Corridor, dalawa sa ating 5 natural sub-economies or super regions of the Philippines, kung saan gumagastos tayo ng daan-daang bilyon sa ilalim ng ating medium-term public investment program. The Luzon Urban Beltway consists of most of Central Luzon, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mindoro, and Marinduque. And if it is to be a good urban beltway, it must be globally competitive for urban, service, and industrial sectors with a high quality of life for its people. And indeed, this Luzon Urban Beltway produces more than 1/2 of the country's gross domestic product. To be globally competitive, in our medium-term Philippine Development Plan, we invest in 5 strategic measures. #1, make food plentiful at reasonable prices to make our labor cost competitive. #2, reduce the cost of electricity to make the cost of running our machines and our manufacturing processes regionally competitive. #3, modernize the physical infrastructure and logistics system at least cost to ensure efficient movement of goods and people. Kita naman nyo yung SLEX, inaayos natin. At pagkatapos nito, yung SLEX ikakabit sa STAR. At yung SLEX nakakabit sa C5 ay ikakabit sa NLEX. So lahat nito ay pag-uusapan mamaya sa ating cabinet meeting, which we are holding here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Yung logistics is movement of people and goods. So kasama dito yung gastos sa pagbiyahe. At kasalukuyang, sabi ni Secretary Larry Mendoza sa akin, ay may hearing na ginaganap ang LTFRB para pag-usapan kung paano bumaba ang pasahe. Dahil bumababa ang presyo ng langis. Number 4, from competitiveness, mobilize and disseminate knowledge to upgrade our technologies and increase our people's productivity. Nandyan ang UP Los Baños. Nandito pa nga sa ating expo ngayon. At napakaraming mga eskwelahan at mga VOC Tech centers. So productivity is very high in Calabarzon. At panglima, reduce red tape in all government agencies to reduce transaction cost. Ako'y nasisiyahan na meron na kayong NERBAC dito sa Calabarzon.